Good day to everyone that is watching my presentation. My name is Joanna Ivana Presley. I'm currently in Sunban, Sarawak, taking Bachelor in Business of Accounting and Finance. I'm currently in semester 1 of year 2, and in this presentation video, I'll be taking two parts of the video. The first part will be a case study of Global Bike, and I will be talking about the organizational structures. And then the second part is about my SAP, on how I managed to do my SAP and how I can teach you to do your SAP as well. Good day to everyone that is
So in this slide, I will be talking about a case study over Global Bike Group. And this is a organizational structure for Dallas, USA. And in my next slide, I will be talking about organizational structure in in Heidelberg, Germany. So the headquarters is located in Dallas, and Global Bike is registered as a US company, following US GAAP accounting standards. And Global Bike Group operates a subsidiary company at Germany as Global Bike Germany GmbH, and is subjected to IFRS accounting standards and German tax regulations. So as you can see in this slide, material planning, finance, administration, HR, and IT functions are consolidated at the Dallas headquarters. The Dallas facility manufactures products for the US and export markets, and its warehouse manages product distribution for the central US and internet retailers. It also has warehouses for shipping and export in both San Diego and Miami. And San Diego handles West Coast distribution and export for Asia, while Miami handles East Coast distributions and Latin America exports. This is Global Bike Germany GmbH that is located at Heidelberg, Germany. So the headquarters is at Heidelberg, Germany, correct? The majority of research and development is housed in the Heidelberg offices, and it is also the main manufacturing facility for Global Bike in Europe. And this warehouse handles all shipping for Southern Europe. And Heidelberg warehouse also handles and sells its bike throughout the world and employs approximately 100 people. Two-thirds of their employees are in the US, and the remaining third half is in Europe. So this next slide is the case study focuses on the integrating of product costing process using the S402 Global Byte system. It provides specific understanding of each steps, and this SAP function involves product costing that targets individual familiar with navigation in the SAP system. Specifically, the product planning and control departments, the case study involved in creating a variant of the same product that the last story, and to calculate associated costs initiated by the sales two departments. It also includes challenge to calculate the new price for the bike to change in the product.
Okay, on this slide, I will be talking about the first step, which is copying finished product. If you ask me, how did I do this? So my first step is to copy the create master data of the finished product by using the manage master data app. I have then entered my product number, which is DXDR4855, to create a new product variance. And then after that, the product shows that there's deluxe touring bike in white color. Mind you, I have already changed the color from black to white. I also did translate the language from black to white. And in step 2 is to create a copy from a raw material. I copied a new material by using the manage for the master data entity, and I put my product number as TRFR4855. And to create this in a pop-up created master data record, and I entered TRFR4855 again and change the description to touring frame in white color. And then we can get the new product information after this. So in step 3 is extend your raw material for calculation. The way I do this is I go to SAP Material Master Data, and I go to Change Material app, and I click on TRFR4855 to choose the costing to one selection, and then I select one checkbox that has costing 1, only costing 1, and then I can get the material and the number changed. In step 4 is creating bill of material. I create a new BOM for my deluxe touring bike to be used in the product costing process, and this is to be used to maintain the bill of material app. So I key in DXTR4855 in material, and I key in DL00 to correspond the bill of material to my product. And then I key select and copy the BOM and key in all of the information, and it will lead me to the maintaining of material patch and also to the new number. And then after that, the material for BOM is now saved. Now for the last step is to create routing. I create a new routing for my deluxe touring bike by using the create routing app, and I enter my material, which is TRFR4855, and my plant is DL00. This get me to use this function, and I key in all the relevant information that I need to put, and I press enter. Once that is entered, I can get all of the operation overview, and I went to the menu right after. After everything that is done, the routing is successfully saved. Thank you for watching and listening to everything. I believe that this assignment has taught me a lot, and also thank you to my lecturer for giving us this case study, which is the global bike, and also gave us all the informations. Maybe it's called SFOHANA. I'm not sure. What I can say is that I am improved in terms of technical, in terms of what I can do and how far can I do in these assignments. And I would like to also touch on this company, which is Global Bike. Basically, this company has a really good view on raising their own company to be greater and to have a big opportunity in the future. And I believe that this company can go further. And overall, I would say that this company is really efficient and really effective. And then I would like to also thank you to our lecturer again for giving us a pathways to learn on what to do in Power BI, what to do in Tableau, and what to do in Excel. I learned a lot from doing all those sort of things, all those 3 different applications. I learned to do charts, I learned how to calculate on Excel, I learned how to create a new data, and then I would also want to touch on the LinkedIn learning. I learned a lot as well from all the links that our lecturers has been given. That is all for me, and